Welcome to SAG Infotech. In this video tutorial, I will tell you how to get GSTR1 data from portal and compare with our software data. Go to GST returns, click on GSTR1, select the month, the client, go to GSTR1 summary tab. Here you can see the GSTR1 summary is shown. Now we click on Get Data button. Enter the CAPTCHA. Click on Process. Here you can see the GSTR1 summary is shown as per the software and as per the portal. You can also see the summary GST invoice, and state-wise. This is how you can get GSTR1 data from portal and compare with our software data. Thank you.